Well, what started off as a chilly day turned into a very pleasant afternoon with sunshine and, for most areas, fairly light southerly wind. We start to see a little bit more of that breeze picking up already in the west, and that's going to expand eastward as we head into the next couple of days. But it's also going to bring with it eastward a warming trend. And we'll look for the wind increasing, and that south and southwesterly breeze really warms us up for tomorrow. And actually the wind will let up a little bit, kind of back off a bit for Saturday and Sunday for a very warm and not too windy of a weekend before the wind picks back up, leading to our next storm system, which could produce a few showers or thunderstorms toward the middle portion of next week. When you show up on radar here, all of this are these fires and the smoke plumes are being actually hit by the radar beam, and it looks like little showers, but they're actually just the particles coming up from those fires burning. And so certainly have a lot of controlled burning going on and a haziness to the sky. You can see that. You can see some of those plumes looking to the northeast out of Manhattan, a little bit hazy up overhead at Junction City as well. And in Emporia, hazy sky. It's become hazy sun is what we're looking at with all of those range burnings going on. Hopefully they can be fully extinguished before we get that high wind into the area tomorrow. Always a danger to burn the day before wind, and hopefully they get those fully under control. 55 tonight with an east-southeast wind at 7 miles per hour. It was 22 degrees this morning. It got really cold. The air was so dry, cooled off even more than anticipated. But we've since recovered up to a high of 55 degrees. Look at this warmth, though, building out to the west. 69 degrees in Denver, 66 at North Platte and Goodland. And as that warmth spreads up the high plains, it'll gradually spread eastward into our area. We've seen a few low 60s, Manhattan, Junction City, and Concordia, with mid-50s to the east. But as we start to see more and more of that warmth kind of expanding eastward with southerly wind, it will come with a wind, and the wind will be strengthening as well. You can see that happening already over the western counties. And by 11 o'clock tonight, a little bit more of a south breeze. I wouldn't say a howling wind until maybe tomorrow during the day. We start to get more of a 20, 25 mile per hour, possibly 30 mile per hour sustained wind, with winds gusting to 40 or 45 tomorrow. So it is going to be quite a bit windier for your Friday. And those breezes start to let up a little bit into Saturday morning, and even more so by Saturday afternoon. And that's going to set us up for very quiet weather and nice weather heading into Easter as well. Temperatures tonight try to fall back into the 30s over the eastern counties. It's all going to be dependent on how much the wind lets up for tonight. Well, look at this big warm up. 70s on Friday. And we'll outdo that as we head into Saturday. Mild in the morning and afternoon temperatures into the middle to upper 70s, and maybe a few spots hitting 80. The sky is mostly clear here and pretty much region wide, not looking at much in the way of cloud cover anywhere close to us. But what we are going to be looking for is a really long stretch of really comfortable temperatures. 71 and breezy tomorrow. As of right now, both Saturday and Sunday don't look to be all that windy. Easter Sunday, 81 degrees. It will be a little bit windy, though, for Monday and Tuesday as the southerly and southwesterly winds strengthen. We'll be in the low 80s, maybe a few spots into the mid 80s by Tuesday, and then a chance for a few showers with thunderstorms. We'll keep an eye on that. Anytime you're up to about 80 or so in April and a storm system's approaching with a storm chance, always has to be watched. But that, again, isn't until Wednesday of next week. In the short term, we get some really nice weather. It will be windy tomorrow, but it'll do the job of warming us up for the weekend.
That's all we need.
Yeah.
A nice 80. Love to see it.